guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. And if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget the notification bell. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make a delicious buffalo chicken dip. So you can create this easily, quickly, and efficiently for any event that you may be having. It could be for Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, family reunions, any type of event that you're going to have. It's a wonderful and quick and easy thing to make that everyone is going to love, and you know that they're going to love it. So first I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to need to get started. So again, this recipe is super easy to make, and so all you're going to need is like a small crock pot, a shredded grilled chicken that you can get from the frozen section at any grocery store, 2 cups of triple cheddar cheese, 2 8-ounce sticks of cream cheese. Now I like to use this Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce, and this is like the perfect sauce to use for this dip. And also you're going to need ranch dressing. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the small crock pot to get it warmed up. As your crock pot is warming up, I'm going to focus on the cream cheese. So you want to go ahead and take these out of the box. What I like to do is just go ahead and take these 2 8-ounce sticks and kind of put them in the microwave so we can kind of really condense that down and get it a little melted down before we put it in the crock pot. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and go ahead and just place it in this glass container so we can put it in the microwave, and I'm going to put it in for about 45 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and add our first 8 ounces of cream cheese into the crock pot. So in total, you're going to use 16 ounces for this recipe. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and warm up the other 8-ounce box that we have of cream cheese. So I've already warmed up my second 8-ounce container of cream cheese, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to my crock pot as well. The fun part about this recipe is that you can modify it however you would like. If you have a bigger group, you can double the recipe. If you want less hot sauce, you can add less hot sauce. If you're not a spicy fan, you can add more ranch dressing or more cheese, whatever you'd like. But for this recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 cup of Frank's hot sauce, and I'm gonna use 1 cup of the ranch dressing. So that's what we're gonna do next. First, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup ranch dressing. And after that, you can just stir the cream cheese and the ranch dressing together. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and add our 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. And I'm definitely a spicy fan, so later on in this recipe, I may add a little bit extra of the Frank's Red Hot sauce, just for a little extra spice, a little tang, and a little flavor. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just add our 2 cups of already prepackaged triple cheddar cheese right into our crock pot. And we'll go ahead and mix that together as well. And our mixture is already pretty hot, so the cheese is already beginning to melt. Cannot wait for you guys to try this. It is so good. I've made this before, and I've always shared it with all my friends and all the events that I have here at my house, and it's just absolutely amazing. And I haven't mentioned yet, but you can serve this with celery sticks, carrot sticks, crackers, and my personal favorite, which is what I'm gonna do for this video, is a French baguette. And so we'll get to that toward the end of the video. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go ahead and add our already pre-shredded chicken into just like a glass container, because we're going to go ahead and warm this up in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, because yes, it already is pre-cooked, but I want to go ahead and just warm it up just a little bit before we put it into the crock pot. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and took the grilled chicken out of the microwave, and I actually had it in there for about 3 minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead and transfer this into a larger bowl so I can go ahead and pull apart any of the larger chunks of chicken to make sure everything's evenly shredded. So let's go ahead and check out our delicious buffalo chicken dip. I wish you guys could smell the kitchen right now. It smells so good. You can just like smell the spice and the buffalo sauce. Wow, that looks so good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and transfer all of our shredded chicken into our crock pot, and then we're gonna stir and mix all of it together. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot wait to try this. Prep time, and in order to make this, only takes between 30 and 45 minutes. So it's super quick, super easy, and you can have this done in no time. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix all this together now. And you can see how I did the recipe literally fills up the whole entire mini crock pot that we have here. Look at that. Wow. So I just did a little behind the scenes taste test on this, and let me tell you, this is bomb. I'm just gonna go ahead and add just, a touch of extra Frank's hot sauce. But again, you do not have to do this. It's just for my own preference. But look at the consistency, look how this turned out. It's just absolutely amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to make this and try it. And we are all set. So we are gonna prepare our French baguette next. Okay guys, so as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can use whatever you'd like with this dip. You can use celery, you can use vegetables, carrots. You can create a whole party tray or whatever you would like. But for my own preference, and what I'm gonna show you guys for this video is using a French baguette. So you can get these at your local market, and it's already pre-sliced for you. And you just put them on a party tray and you're already ready to go. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys for this video. So I'm just gonna use this party tray here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just place all this French baguette nicely around the party tray. Okay guys, so this is the moment we have been waiting for, and I cannot wait to taste this, so let's just get on with it and let's do this. So you can just easily grab a slice of your French baguette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get me some of this delicious dip that we just made, and just spread it right over that French baguette. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Oh my gosh, guys. I swear, you need to make this now. Do not wait. Do it now. It's so good. It's so easy, it's so simple. My goodness, you could have this ready in 30 to 45 minutes from start to finish. You're definitely gonna wanna make this. So let me go ahead and just finish this, and I'll be right back. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video on how I make my delicious shredded chicken buffalo dip. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought. Please subscribe to my channel, it definitely helps support me, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. And I'll see you guys back here next time. Take care. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video on how I make my delicious buffalo style chicken dip. Okay guys, so as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, if you did, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I already screwed this up.